Hi everyone, I'm Kayla. This is Lonica. We're back. We're so excited to be with you. We have had so many requests here at Dance Labs for back flexibility. So today we finally have a tutorial for you. This is one of our favorites, and you get to sit in the split. So it's actually working on your flexibility in your splits too. So Lonica is gonna get into her splits. Make sure that you do this on both sides. We're gonna show the right side today, but you wanna make sure you do both, depending on which leg you like to pick up. Maybe for like your scorpion or anything else that requires back flexibility, okay? So Lonica's gonna start by picking up her back leg. So she's gonna bend her back leg and grab it with her hand. So she's choosing to get this left hand, and then she's gonna thread through, grabbing with the other hand and pulling and arching her back as much as possible to try and get her foot to touch her head. Okay, go ahead and release, Lonica. I realize that not all of you are going to be able to do that the first time. So take the steps. Bend your leg, grab it with your left hand to start, okay? Then once you've got that and it feels really comfortable, switch and really thread that through and try and find even the flexibility in your shoulders. We're practicing for a scorpion, you guys, a needle, back flexibility. This is the position you're literally in. So if you can do it on the floor, I know you can do it standing. Do this every day. Practice holding it for at least 20 seconds each time, maybe 10 times in one sitting. Good luck, you guys. Let's get that back more flexible.